It's a 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.